Hello everybody, it's Mindy and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a diamond painting unboxing for you. I do those once in a while. I do some progress on my diamond paintings, completions, a lot of diamond painting stuff, but I also do crochet and yarn videos, and I love to talk about books. So let's look at this diamond painting that we have today, and it is from OneDaySaving. So first of all, thank you, OneDaySaving, for letting me pick out a couple of things to show you. So let's get right into it and show you all the goodies. All right, first of all, every one of their kits will come with a little toolkit such as this, which has your boat, your pen, and your wax. And I gotta say, I am loving these diamond paintings, these special drill diamond paintings that are 40 by 40 size. I think they are fantastic. There is a group of these. They come grouped together on some sites, and there's like 4 of them. I got a couple of them now. I just love them. I think they are so cute. So this one's kind of got a Christmassy theme, or it could be birthday. I mean, we got gifts down here, and the little girl just has a great big bouquet of flowers. She's super cute. And look at all the special drills in this. Bunch of special drills in the flowers she's holding, special drills around the outer edge, in her hat. I think she's absolutely adorable, and I think it's going to be super, super cute. There are 9 different drills for this one, and it looks like at least 1, 2, 3 of them are probably special drills. So I think she's so cute. Like, I like the printing color in the background and then the special drills over top. So like the tree, the background is just printed. A good part of her hat is printed, but it's like it's outlined with the special drills. I thought there might be more like in the stripes, but there isn't. There's a few random ones just here and there, peppered here and there, and then some larger special drills. But I think it just adds an extra pop of color. It just makes it fun when you put all the special drills on top of it. I think she's so cute. All right, let's get into our drills and show you what we get. Let's start with our rhinestones. Oops, we got a whole bag that just fell out there. Rhinestones. This is like a light tan rhinestone. Some red, a gold color, pink, and a green. That's all for the rhinestones, folks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them. Okay. Then we have these red, clear, pearly looking things. Love those. We have green, iridescent marquees. We have gold marquees. And then we have these guys. Some big, round, faceted, iridescent gems. I'm assuming those are going to go on these large spaces where you see the D. Yep, they're going to go there. Isn't she cute, though? I love her green eyes. I love her green eyes. Anyhow, I love it. Okay, so I have that for you. And then I have something that comes in a box. Now, this one looks like it's going to be fun. Let's get it out. This one will take a little bit of time, too, I'm guessing. Get everything out. Okay. That's it. The box is coming apart over here. Need some tape. Tape it up. All right, here's our drills and our toolkit. And it's going to go in a stand. This does have a film on both sides. Peel the film off. This will be perfectly clear. All right, let's get into it. What do we get? There's lots of things here. Where's the opening? Where is the opening? Okay, there we go. Got lots of pieces. All right, come on. You need to come out of the bag. Come out of the bag. Okay. I am not certain how this is all supposed to go in this holder right here. I don't know. There's got all of these pieces here, and you'll notice that each little piece has a little flat spot on the bottom. So we have dragonflies and grass. We have a girl. She's our gardener girl. She's holding a big pot of flowers. We have a flower cart. The cart filled with all of her plants. We have a car, an old car. All right. We have a boat. All right. I'm not certain why we have a boat. And we have a pond. It goes this way. And then we have the house. Oops, we have another piece of grass. So we have grass, grass, dragonflies, pond, boat. Those all seem to go together. Car, cart, and girl. Okay. And then we have this piece, which is a greenhouse. So I'm suspicious about it. There's no way for this to all go together. There is absolutely no way for this to all go together. I'm thinking this needs like one of those rectangular bases with several holes in it for all of these pieces to go in, because they all have their own little tab. You can only put one thing in here, and that would be for the house. So we have the wrong base. Clearly, we have the wrong base. All right, that would go in there, but then where's all your other pieces go? There is no place for them to go. All right, I'm going to have to like get with the company and say, hey, I have all of these pieces to go into this. That's not going to work. I'm super excited to get this too, because I feel that what they do is they line up like in front of each other like this, and then say the girl would be standing over here with her flowers, the grass, okay, let's just lay it flat. Maybe the grass would go in front of her like this, a little bit of grass here. I don't understand these pieces. And the car, I don't know. All right, well, yeah, I'm going to definitely have to look at this further on their website. And I'm definitely going to have to contact the company and say, how do all the pieces go in this? They can't. There's no way. My guess is it's mostly rhinestones. Oh, look at the drills. Yeah, I don't know where the pond and dragonflies would go in this scenario. I mean, it could. I mean, I suppose if the base is really wide and maybe off to the edge here, we've got a little pond action, over in the corner like this, and the boat. I don't know. I don't know. I'm going to look at the picture. I will insert a photo so you can see what it's supposed to look like. And then I'm going to contact the company and say, I think there's an issue. All right. Our rhinestones are clear, a tan, brown color, red, a light green, a dark green, an orange, and yet another green. That's kind of like a gray color, a brown, a blue. We do have some special drills. I didn't think there would be, but there are. This round faceted AB iridescent, this pretty blue teardrops. I love those. The green marquee and some yellow snowflakey colors. All right. Like I said, I think this is, I remember getting some smaller versions of these in the past where you'd put these together, all this like 3D type stuff. And I think they're really cool. And so I think all I really need is the correct base. There's lots to drill on all of these. So it will keep you busy. Like I said, it will keep you busy for a while. So 4 is a green, right? I'm just checking colors. 4 is a green. So it goes on the grass. It goes on the pond. It goes in the flower cart. Okay, so the colors are all jiving with the whole scene. But anyhow, I'll let you know how it all goes. I really think it's a cute concept. I'll let you know what I find out. Okay, I will let you know what I find out. I will email them as soon as I get off here. So that's the 2 items I got from them. Thank you, One Day Savings, and I'll be updating you very soon. I won't put this video out till I get an answer, so I'll update you on what we do about our base here that does not work for that. Okay. All right. Thanks for watching, everybody, and I'll be back with you. I'll just be back with you.